Hello, so we're gonna be talking about is a relation has a relation. So is a relation it's pretty straightforward. You're gonna be having class and another class, and you're gonna be asking yourself, is this class is from the parent class or not? So is a child human? If the answer is yes, you're gonna be extending it as a class, um, which is pretty straightforward. And we're gonna be talking about a different relationship which is called has a. So every human has a hand. So if you're gonna be doing something, so if you're gonna do something, you can use your hand, or we can create a new class called hand. This hand will be do good things with hands. So I'm not sure what you can do good thing, but yeah. So this is the point. You're gonna be having this kind of hand class, and you can do or void do. Let's say make it public. Why do good things with hands? And yeah, here good. So that's a main point. Now you're composing the hand within this method. This is from myself, and this is an opinion. It feels much better. Why? Because you can unit test it very easily. You can have different sort of polymorphism here. If, for example, if you have different kind of hand, if let's say someone had his hand unfortunately surgeries that got removed due to some kind of accident that he had, so you can have different types of hands. So you can have like human hands and a robot hand. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be saying it correctly. So also I'm gonna be creating the other, let's say, robotic hands, which is used for medicine. So you can post the robotic hands here or the human hands here, and each one will be have different kind of implementation. So yeah, and the human hands is a hand and robotic hand is a hand. So this is kind of difference between is a relation and composition, which is has a. Also there is different sorts of relation. For example, aggregation and there are more relation, but most probably people use composition mostly, and basically because it's flexible and it can be used at ease.